Hey Queens, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be giving you a very detailed tutorial on how I achieve these curls. I also filmed a video of how I installed this wig on my client, so if you'd like to see that, I'll be sure to leave a link in the description box below. I just finished coloring and blow drying this wig. Now I'm going to section it off and straighten it to give my curls a more flawless look. After I finish straightening it, I'm going to resection it and begin the curling process. Now that I have it straightened, I'm going to part the hair down the middle and begin to curl going away from the face. After I finish my curl, I'm going to wrap the hair around my finger, then pin it up with a 2-prong clip. I will continue to do this exact same thing throughout the whole wig until the process is complete. As you can see, I just took a small section, curled it going away from the face. Now I'm wrapping it around my finger and pinning it up with a 2-prong clip. I'm going to do this exact same thing over again so that I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. Taking my flat iron, curling it away from the face. For some reason, I don't know what I was doing, but I was kind of messing this one up a little bit, but trial and error, baby. Trial and error. Once again, I'm going to go ahead and take a small section. Using my flat irons, I'm going to curl it going away from the face, and then I'm going to wrap the hair around 2 of my fingers and pin it up and out of the way. When you're finished with the first side, it will look exactly like this, and you'll proceed to curl the other side. finished curling, I'm going to let the hair cool off for 10 minutes so the curls can set. This process helps the curls last longer, and once the curls are cool, I will remove all the pins and brush out the curls. This is what the curls look like after the pins are removed. Now I'm going to take a little foam and mold down the closure piece to make that part a little bit more flat, and then I'm going to take my edge brush and brush down the hairs to make sure that there are no flyaways. You can use a wide tooth comb or a paddle brush to break down these curls and make the look more seamless. I chose to use a paddle brush because that's what I like best. Here is the final result. And remember, if you would like to see how I installed this wig, there will be a link in the description box.